How to use auto clicker on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use an auto clicker on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is open up your settings. Open up your settings and then head over to your accessibility. Tap on accessibility and there scroll down and there you'll find an option called switch control. Tap on switch control and after you're here, you will need to head over to switches. On your switches, tap on add new switch, and after you tap on add new switch, what you can do is you can select what you want. So simply choose your source. So right here you will see different options. What you'll need to choose here is the option called screen. After you choose screen, tap on full screen and select tap. It's right under system. After you do that, you can head back, and after you're here, you can simply head over to recipes. After you're on your recipes, you can just start a new one. Tap on create new recipe and name this whatever you want. I'll just name it tap or just auto. And after doing that, what you can do is you can just tap on assign a switch. After you do that, select full screen. And after you're here, what you can do is you can create a custom gesture. So tap on custom gesture. And now what you'll need to do is when you start, all you have to do is just start pressing where you want to press or just where you want to use the auto clicker on. So you can keep on pressing on one area here. And after you do that, you can tap on stop as well. But after you're done here, tap on save. After you've done that, what you can then do is head back. So let's head back here. And after you're back on accessibility, you can just head over to your per app settings. So let me just show you what to do next. So after you're here, head over to per app settings. Head over to accessibility shortcuts and just make sure that you've selected switch. So here you can see switch control. Make sure that you've selected that. And after you've done that, you can then head over to any web browser. And after let me just open up any website here. So let's say I'm using this website. And after you're here, what you can then do is you can tap on your button. That is, you can tap to access your auto clicker. What you'll need to do is you can simply just after you're on any website, you can double tap on your power button, which will enable your switch control, and simply tap on switch control, which will start your auto clicker. And that's how you use auto clicker on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.